Assalomu alaykum. Welcome to the next lesson. Oxirgi safar sizlarga shu mashqni bergan edim. Keling endi bu mashqni birgalikda ko'rib chiqamiz. Anna's favorite thing is her phone. Annaning. Katie's taxi is here. Katiening. Will Brown's book is very good. Browning. What is Michael's address? Michaelning. What's your friend's name? Endi bu yerda what is bo'lishi kerak edi. Buning contraction ya'ni qisqartmasi what's. Your friends bu yerda esa possessive ya'ni do'stingning. Your bag's very big. Bu yerda bag is bo'lishi kerak edi. Bu as contraction ya'ni isning qisqartmasi. Bu yerda ham what is bo'lishi kerak edi. Bu as contraction ya'ni what isning qisqartmasi. Agar sizda hamma javoblar to'g'ri chiqqan bo'lsa, tabriklayman. Agar siz buni tushunmayotgan bo'lsangiz, oldingi darslarni ko'rishni tavsiya qilaman. Bugun sizlar bilan o'tadigan mavzuyimiz have and has. Today we are going to study have and has. Here we have got subject. Here we have got have, and here we have got object or phrase. Have aslida nima degani? Have o'zi aslida bor degani. I have menda bor, you have senda bor, we have bizda bor va hokazo. Misol uchun I have an apple. Menda olma bor. Nimaga bu yerda an? Chunki so'zning bosh harfi vowel, ya'ni unli bo'lgani uchun n. Bu yerda esa undosh consonant, shuning uchun a. Agar nima deyotganimizni siz tushunmayotgan bo'lsangiz, oldingi darslarimizni ko'rishni tavsiya qilaman. I have an apple. Menda olma bor. Bitta olma bor. You have a pen. Senda bitta ruchka bor. We have a German car. Bizda bitta nemis mashinasi bor. They have 3 balls. Ularda 3 ta to'p bor. Endi I, you, we, theyga have, lekin he, she, itga esa has. Hasning havedan ma'nosini farqi yo'q. Bular ikkalasi ham bir xil. Faqat he, she, itga have emas, balki has ishlatiladi. He has an orange. Unda apelsin bor. Bitta apelsin bor. She has a pencil. Unda, ya'ni qiz bolada qalam bor. It has 4 doors. Uning 4 ta eshigi bor. Misol uchun mashinada. Bir qator takrorlab olamiz. I, you, we, theyga have. He, she, itga esa has. Keling endi mashq bajarib ko'ramiz. Videoni pauza qiling. Pause the video and do the exercise. Write down have or has. Have yoki haslarni to'g'ri joylariga yozib chiqing. I hope you paused the video and did the exercise. Let's check it together. I have a big family. She has a red bicycle. They have 2 cats. My brother has a new phone. Endi sizlarda savol tug'ilishi mumkin. Brother ga nimaga has qo'ydik? Chunki mening akam. Mening akam he bo'ladimi, she bo'ladimi? To'g'ri, he bo'ladi. He ga nima qo'yardik? Has qo'yardik. He has a new phone. My brother has a new phone. We have English class on Monday. The dog has a black tail. Endi nimaga dogga has qo'ydik? Dog bu jonli, lekin hayvon. Hayvonlarga nima ishlatamiz? It ishlatamiz. It has a black tail. The dog has a black tail. You have a nice smile. Anna and Tom have a big house. Nimaga endi bu yerga have qo'ydik? Axir Tom, he-ku. Yo'q, bu yerda Anna ham bor. Anna va Tom. Ikkita odam bitta bo'lsa, ularga nima deymiz? Ular deymiz. Ingliz tilida they. They have a big house. Anna and Tom have a big house. He has a football. I have 3 pens in my bag. Today's topic was this. See you next time.